Next topic is called as blood group. The concept of blood grouping was developed by Karl Landsteiner in the year 1900. He identified the blood groups A, B and O. AB blood group was recognized. Appo three type of blood group only identified by Karl Landsteiner. AB blood group was recognized by De Castillo and Steiner in the year 1902. Then human blood contains certain specific substance called agglutinogen or otherwise antigens. நம்மளோட bloodல அதாவது உனக்கு that means bloodல contain some specific type of substances and the specific substance what is the name is called antigen. What is the name is called antigen or otherwise is called as antibodies. Antigen or antibodies. Antigens are found on the membrane of RBC. Membrane of surface of RBC. RBC நோடைய surfaceல antigens are present. Antibodies where they can present they can present in the blood plasma. Plasma அப்படின்னு சொல்றது through glucose, proteins, enzymes, some of the substances are present in the that is a 55% of water. That is a plasma. In the plasma antibodies are present. Based on the presence or absence of antigen and the antibodies, human blood group is classified into four major categories. One is A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group and O blood group. There are four different type of blood groups. First you can learn about A blood group. The A blood group individual antigen is what present? Antigen A is presence of the surface of RBC. And the antibody is present in the plasma. Antigen where they can present in the surface RBC nude surface la antigen is present and the antibodies where they can present in the plasma. அப்போ B blood group இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு antigen is present on the antigen B is present on the surface of RBC and the antibody A is present in the plasma. Opposite one ஆன்டிஜன் ஏவா இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் ஆன்டிபாடி வாட்டாக இருக்கும் பிஆர் இருக்கும். ஆன்டிபாடி பிஆர் ஆன்டிஜன் பிஆர் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் ஆன்டிபாடி வாட்டா ஏவா ப்ரெசண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். தென் ஏபி பிளட் குரூப் ஆஃப் இண்டிவிஜுவல் ஆன்டிஜன் ஏ அண்ட் ஆன்டிஜன் பி ஆர் ப்ரெசண்ட் ஆன் த சர்ஃபேஸ் ஆஃப் ஆர்பிசி பட் but the antibodies are absent on the plasma. அப்போ both the antigens are present in the surface of RBC means antibody is absent in the blood group. What type of blood group la AB என்ற blood group la antibody is absent. O group of individual அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது antigen and the anti-B are absent. Antigen absent are O blood group but antibody ಏನದು ಉನಕ್ಕೆ on the surface. However the antibody எங்கே present இருக்கும் உனக்கு plasma both antibody A and the antibody B both are present in the plasma. The next topic is the blood group கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பார் ரெட்லெஸ் blood டைப்பாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா குரூப் ஏ குரூப் பி குரூப் சி. அப்போ என்னென்ன ஆன்டிபாடிஸ் இருக்கும் என்னென்ன ஆன்டிஜென்ஸ் ப்ரெசென்ட்டாக இருக்கும் அப்படி ஏவாக இருந்தால் என்னது உனக்கு ஆன்டிஜன் ஏ இருக்கும் ஆன்டிபாடி பிஆர் இருக்கும். பி பிளட் குரூப்பாக இருந்தால் ஆன்டிஜன் என்னது பிஆர் இருக்கும் ஆன்டிபாடி ஏவாக இருக்கும். ஏபி பிளட் குரூப்பாக இருந்தால் ஆன்டிஜன் ஏ அண்ட் பி வில் பி ப்ரெசன்ட் ஆன்டிபாடி இஸ் ஆப்சன்ட். O blood group and the antigen என்னது உனக்கு A and B absent antibody A and the B are present. The next one is blood donation. So in some type of blood only they are considered. Okay ma, the blood transfusion is one of the most considered antigen and the antibody compatibility between the donor and the person receiving of the blood. அப்போ யார் கொடுக்குறாங்களோ யார் வாங்குறாங்களோ ரெண்டு பேருக்கு in betweenல பார்த்தா the antigen and the antibody is very very important transferring at the time. So when an individual receive of mismatched, suppose mismatched blood group receive பண்ணீங்கன்னா the donor க்கு என்ன ஆகும் உனக்கு clumping blood என்ன ஆகும் clot ஆகும் clumping of the blood occurs in the body which leads to the death. அப்போ automatically the opposite blood உள்ள enter ஆகும்போது automatically what will happen? The death will be occur. Then a person with the AB blood group are called as AB blood group. His name is called universal recipient. யார்கிட்ட இருந்து வேணாலும் they will be receiving the blood. So they are called as universal recipient and they can receive the blood from the person with any blood group. Next, person with a O blood group. O blood group na universal donor. They will give for the blood to the anyone, any type of the blood group. They will be donating the blood. Universal donor. They are called as donating blood to person with any blood group. The next topic is called as RH factor. RH factor. So RH factor was discovered by Landsteiner and Weiner in the year 1940 in rhesus monkey. Rhesus monkey la Landsteiner and Weiner first identified for the RH factors. The surface of RBC contain antigen for RH factor is positive. The person RH antigen on the surface of the RBC, while RH negative person do not. அப்போ RH positive இருக்க personக்கு RBC நோட surfaceல RH antigen will be present. Suppose negative இருக்கவங்களே there is no antigen in the surface of the RBC. Okay, then antibodies are developed against RH antigen is called as RH, and RH antigen க்கு opposite அந்த antibodies என்னதுனக்கு produce ஆச்சு develop ஆச்சு அப்படினு சொன்னா what is the name is called RH antibodies. RH antibodies. The next topic is called as lymphatic system. Next topic is lymphatic system. What is lymphatic system? The lymphatic system comprises of lymphatic capillaries, lymphatic vessels, lymph node and lymphatic duct. There are 4 different parts are very important. Lymph means what? That is a colorless fluid. Underline the word blood na it's a color red color pigment, okay, red color fluid, but lymph அப்படினு சொல்லும்போது that is a colorless fluid that flows through the lymphatic system. It will be flow through the entire lymphatic system. Next, the lymphatic capillaries united to form as a large lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic node are small oval shape or otherwise is a pear shaped structure. So lymph அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு பார்த்தோம் அப்படினு சொன்னா நம்மளுடைய WBC lymphatic node is a against the force அப்படினு that is called as a lymphatic system. What is the shape அப்படினு சொல்லும்போது it is a pear shaped structure. Where it is located அப்படினு சொன்னா they will be located on the along the length of the lymphatic vessels, along the length of the lymphatic vessels. The next one is a lymph. So lymph from the intercellular space la drain ஆகும்போது lymphatic capillaries. அப்போ lymph from the intercellular spaces drain into the lymphatic capillaries. Lymph is a colorless fluid. It is formed when the plasma. Where it is formed? It formed from the when the plasma. Proteins and the blood cells escape into the intercellular space in the tissues through the pores present in the wall of the capillaries. Then it is similar to the blood plasma. Every blood plasma every active the same only for the lymph also they will be acting, but it is a colorless. Every nammaloda red color pigment how they will be same only for the lymphatic also it will be acting colorless and containing the less proteins. Here there is a more protein is present in the plasma. Blood la irukkoodiya plasma la they are having more proteins, but here lymph la less amount of protein is present. The lymph contains very small amount of nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and WBC cells. அப்போ என்னதுனக்கு lymph la பாத்தீனா very less amount of oxygen இருக்கும், carbon dioxide இருக்கும், proteins இருக்கும், and then water and WBC cells also very less in number. Very important 4-mark question is function of lymph. So first point is it supply the nutrient and oxygen to those parts when the blood cannot reach. அப்போ blood எங்கெல்லாம் reach ஆகாத partல there will be supplying of nutrients, okay, and oxygen to the interior region also. Then it drains away excess of tissue fluid and metabolites it into the proteins to the blood from the tissue spaces. The lymph also carries the absorbed fat from the small intestine to the blood. அப்போ small intestine la இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த fat substance குள்ள they will be absorbing. The lymphatic capillaries of intestinal villi leads absorb the digested fat materials. Lymphocytes in the lymph define to the body from the infection. நம்மளோட பாடியில் இன்ஃபெக்ஷன்ல இருந்து ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணக்கூடியது which one அப்படின்னா in this lymphocytes. Lymphocytes is a WBC cells lower part. It is a lymph define the body from the infection. So the entire lesson is over. Then